combustion, polymers, chemical reactions. At Mad Science of Maine, your kids will look forward to learning about science. We make learning cool. Throw out the thought of a dull science class. We spark imaginative learning by bringing our unique style of edutainment. Kids get hands-on with science, make memories, and enjoy out-of-this-world shows. Influence our future scientists, engineers, programmers, and makers. So what is Mad Science? We inspire kids with science-based events in schools, the workplace, and just about anywhere, increasing their knowledge and helping students learn to work together, making our Earth a better place to live. Your child will have a whale of a time when they explore topics like engineering and experience our NASA-partnered programs. Your student will be raving about Mad Science.
I had an amazing day at the Mad Science event at school today. I did some great experiments all by myself.
Grow a child's self-esteem and reach new potential. Help spread the message of science enrichment. Kids think we are the coolest, most exciting science enrichment company on the planet. And who knows, your student just may become the best rocket scientist on the planet. Call us today or visit us online. Mad Science of Maine.